Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you 4 different secret codes which you can use on your device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. Let's tap on the keypad and let me show you the first code, which is the shortest one and probably the most known, and it is *#06#. And as you can see, the device information just pops out, and here we can check both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the Diagnostics. It is *##426 *##*#. And as you can see, we are in a Diagnostics provided by Google. Here we can check the server, host port, time connected and signal level. What's more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some more info. What's more, we can tap on this 3 dots icon and show advanced view, and after tapping on the status we can check some further details, just like the heartbeat and the network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which is connected to the calendar. It is *##225 *##. And as I said, we are in a calendar info, so here we can check some events. We can check family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check if you would like to check the events which are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you actually the last code which will open the testing mode. It is *##4636 *##. And as I said, we are in a testing mode, so here we can check the phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let's begin with phone info. As you can see, here we can check the info like the phone number, signal strength, data service, voice call status, and so on and so on. We can run ping test also. Here we've got the results, and after tapping on the 3 dots icon we can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let me get back and let's check usage statistics, and as you can see here we've got the list of all processes and all apps which are opened and installed on this device. We can sort them by usage time, last time use, or app name. So let me pick for example app name, and as you can see right now they are listed alphabetically. After sorting them for example by last time use, you can check that lastly we've been using the settings and we've been using them for almost 11 minutes. So let me get back and let's enter the Wi-Fi info, and here we can check the API configuration and the status. So let me pick the status for example. Let's tap on refresh stats, and here we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. Of course we can run ping test here just by tapping on this button. So well, actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.